Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, the global pharmaceuticals machinery market was valued at $25.2 billion in 2024 and is estimated to grow at CAGR of over 6.4% from 2025 to 2034. The market will cross $46.4 billion valuation by 2034, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Rising pharmaceutical demand and growing biopharmaceutical sector are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on machine type, the solid dosage machine segment accounted for revenue of around $9.6 billion in 2024. Based on the mode of operation, the fully automatic segment held around 61% share of the pharmaceuticals machinery market in 2024. Regionally, U.S. Pharmaceuticals machinery market size exceeded $5.7 billion in 2024. Key players in the pharmaceuticals machinery market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.